Come on in.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if this is your first time visiting. Today I am participating in a challenge hosted by Jessica from Measure and Mix and Sherry from Pretty Simple Sherry. The challenge is called $5 Dollar Tree Centerpiece, and the rules are pretty simple. You can't spend more than $5. I will have Jessica's channel, Measure and Mix, and Sherry's channel, Pretty Simple Sherry, linked down below. Make sure you go check them out. They are great channels to follow. I also will have a playlist linked down below so you can check out what everyone else is doing after you're done watching my video. And if this is your first time visiting, I would love for you to stick around. Press the subscribe button, it's free, and join my YouTube family. I do lots of DIY videos, some cleaning videos and cooking videos, and everything in between, from travel to daycare related videos, and I do some vlogs and also lots of hauls. So I'm sure you can find something that you would enjoy. So without further ado, we're gonna get started. The materials for this project, I am using Christmas trees from Dollar Tree, 3 of them, sorry, and a little jute rope, and then some material that I've had left over. You need a glue gun. I am using some chalk paint, a spray bottle that I had on hand, and some water. First thing that I'm going to be doing is I am going to assemble my trees. Cost of each one of these trees, because I am in Canada, it's $1.25, so the total $3.75. Everything else I had on hand, but if I were to use the rope, that would be another $1.25, which would bring me to $5.
Just like 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so to make the tree look a little bit fuller, I have lifted all the branches up. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to make my own snow. Well, I'm going to try anyways, with some chalk paint and some water. So the measurement is approximately 3 part water to 1 part chalk paint.
For a good time, smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over.
And then I might have to add more paint or more water.
Let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better.
Okay, so I think that turned out really good. I'm gonna repeat it with the rest of them and come back to you once it's dry to see how it end up looking when it's dry. But so far I am loving the way it turned out. The trees have dried and they're looking really good. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take some of my material and cut it. So I'm going to wrap the bottom, and you can use burlap. If you have on hand, you can use whatever you've got. And this is where my rope comes into play.
So take your
Pull it all out so it's nice and tight. There we go. And now I'm going to repeat it for all 3, all the other 2. So here they are all finished. I think they turned out beautiful, and I think they look really good on my kitchen table. And snow is staying on, it's not rubbing off, and I kind of like using it a lot more than the spray itself. I would like to thank Jessica and Sherry for hosting this channel, and like I said, their links are down below as well as the playlist link, so make sure you check it out. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
Come on in, get together. Come on.